I'm fine for my 3 babies.
You're fine for your 3 babies?
Baby 1, baby 2, and baby 3 inside.
Fortune was in charge of breakfast today. Yeah.
So we're breastfeeding and making hair. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So guys, today is should I say a self-care day. Like, I'm just gonna be taking care of the kids' hair today, and I'll be making use of my Aunt Jackie's production. Jesus, did I just say production? Products. So Brielle has been carrying like mini twists for almost 2 months, like 1 month and 3 weeks plus. I want to detangle her hair in order to prep for washing. One thing I like about this product is makes detangling very, very easy. So first thing, I always go in with my water. Next, I go in with detangling conditioner, and then I make sure that I apply that to the root. You know, when you do mini twist, the root is always, tangled up and filled with so much product and all. But this Aunt Jackie detangling conditioner separate everything in no less than a minute. Like, it makes everything so manageable. As you can see from the roots everywhere is just going off easily. Like, this is just one of the best products. I haven't really tried so much products, but ever since I tried Aunt Jackie's, I just got stuck because I love it. I'm just taking my rat tail comb, and everything is coming apart easily. And guys, there is no breakage too. There's no breakage, like no loss of hair. She has carried this hair for like 2 months and no breakage. So guys, here I'm done detangling Brielle's hair, and I've moved to detangling Jaden's hair. Jaden carry me and waka the whole house. He say he won't watch television, he won't stand. We move to sitting, he still disturb. We even move to lying down. Hey God, just enjoy the vlog for now, guys. So guys, you see this my baby. Fortune wanted to feed him noodles, and this boy refused. He practically screamed like something was wrong with him. Until the sister brought her own food, and he opened his mouth and just collected. Can you just imagine? He wanted to eat what the sister was eating. I don't know, maybe he thought it was the different thing they were giving him. Oh my Lord, I had to ask my daughter to bring her own. And when she brought it, she wanted to choke my baby's throat with fork. Oh my Lord, guys, kids, Hey God, as I'm just editing this video, I'm just noticing that this my daughter she would just put the food in this boy's mouth. He would not even collect it, she would remove it. Anyway, she was trying to feed her baby brother. Oh my Lord. And as you can see, we moved from the high chair down to my lap. So that eating, breastfeeding, while we detangle his hair. This boy, he carried me around marathon race.
Finally, guys, I finished detangling his hair and he slept off. So, oh my Lord. It's not easy taking care of kids' hair, or even in fact taking care of them in general. See these ones, they don't leave food. My chop. So guys, now that Jaden is sleeping, I just want to go and wash Brielle's hair and then put her hair in apply her deep conditioner, and then she cover her scalp, her shower cap, while we wait for like 30 minutes or 1 hour. I'm hungry. I think I'm going to eat. Fortune, bring my own Indomie. Oh. I think I'm going to eat first. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I just started this video and I did not open up the vlog properly. So today it's Sunday. Last night was very hectic. Like we slept around 2 a.m. And I woke up this morning around 10 o'clock. After 10, I think it was Jaden that woke me up. Jaden woke up around 10. So he woke me up and we all woke up, and I was having headache, so I couldn't go to church. And I was like, why don't I just, wash their hair today? So yeah, that's what we're doing. If this is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. Please excuse the mess of my hair everywhere. It's a busy day. So guys, don't be a stranger. Kindly hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Join the family by subscribing to my channel. Hit the like button, share the video, and please do not skip my ads. I love you guys. Let's enjoy the vlog. Oh my god guys, Fortune was in charge of breakfast today. Yeah, so she was the chef this morning while I'm taking care of the baby. Why don't you come and say hi? This girl, she's always camera shy. Camera shy. Come and enter the scene and she don't run. Wow. Fortune is nice, so you can test your egg. This guy should be making eggs. Don't put too much, seasoning. Let it be mild and normal. Come on, eat, guys. Come on, eat. Jesus. I'm hungry. Daddy bought ice cream. Yay! Did you say Daddy thank you? Okay, what color is the ice cream?
Yellow!
Yellow. Yellow and what?
Orange!
And orange. Good job. See somebody's husband, oh. See how he's looking. See drip now. See drip.
Drip. Open me drip.
I said drip. Drip. Not be hospital drip.
Okay.
That's person husband they fine.
I'm fine for my 3 babies.
You're fine for your 3 babies.
Baby 1, baby 2, and baby 3 is fine.
Can you try?
Let me be going. I'm late, Janearl.
See how my husband find me.
What is it now?
You too fine now.
That is good.
Because I sleep, I don't see when you go church now.
Jaden, look, mommy's stand.
Oh, it's Jaden that broke it. When Jaden is big, Jaden will have money and buy better stand for mommy, yeah?
No, you fall like this.
Jaden fall like and break.
And Jaden broke my stand.
And Jaden, look, mommy's stand.
But mom, Jaden will buy another one for mommy when she's big. When he's big.
Now Fortune cook am.
Huh?
Now Fortune cook am. As in.
He put sardine when she know they like.
She said she know the chop sardine now. She put her for us now. She get rice and stew. She can chop rice and stew.
I want to do my fan. Now chop the do now.
You want chow fan? Okay. Alright, so come and leave my video, I beg. No, be you be the channel.
no finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too righteous. No con they form say you too like us. You no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind.
My baby girl hair is so long. Aya, give me a phone. Yeah, bend your hair. Don't worry, it's not gonna touch your face. Is it touching your face? Is it touching your face? Eh? No. Come on, carry your head up now. She still has trust issues.
Mommy!
Yeah, it's touching your face.
No!
Your clothes. Yes, don't worry. Your clothes, don't worry. Don't worry. The soap is touching your clothes.
Yes.
Don't worry. Don't worry. It will go, okay? Conditioner. So, woo! Mama, what color is it?
Color blue.
Color blue. Oh, and Jackie's my favorite. Oh my lord! So I'm going to be apply this conditioner on her hair, and then I'll cover her hair with shower cap. Then we'll wait for 30 minutes to 1 hour before I wash it off.
So guys, I was done, washing her hair, and I decided to make a simple hairstyle, for her. And that was just, I sectioned the hair into 3 or 4 parts. 2 in front, like the 2 pieces that's going to come out in front, and then three big chunks of hair, 2 at the sides and 1 at the back. So I first go in with my leave-in conditioner. Our hair is still a bit damp from the washing. Leave-in conditioner, coconut oil, and then ori. So I always use shea butter as my hair butter, and it has been working quite well for me, and I love shea butter. So here my daughter was already tired, like she was trying to sleep. She was trying to sleep, and mommy was disturbing her hair. So I was just, when I packed the hair and I started, giving her some mini twists, then I added some beads, guys. Story of a mother. I'm here trying to make Brielle's hair. Jaden is vandalizing my body. Jaden is like so interested in his food. It's like, I don't care what you guys are doing. I just want to suck breasts. Oh God, this boy is a real foodie. He was there struggling. So I had to give him his property. So we're breastfeeding and making hair. Oh my God. And there you have it, guys. I am done with Brielle's hair. Hey God, it's not easy. So guys, see how someone that was crying that she wants to sleep, see her smiling now. So guys, Jaden spoiled my ring light. It fell down and broke from the stand, so and then the light was just going off and on. So guys, I'm gonna be showing you how I made Jaden's hair in another video, because this video is already 15 minutes, and guys, we are in Nigeria now. There is no data. Make I pity everybody who won't watch this video. So guys, thank you so much for watching to the end. Please don't skip my ads, guys. I beg in the name of God. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. See you all in my next video. Hugs and kisses. Bye bye.
tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Oh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Cause that's who on the low, no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded.